What's up, guys? My name is ZiggyZ. Welcome back to a brand new video. I was trying to diagnose what was going on with the car. This is my 1998 Honda Accord. There was some hose I was working on like about a month ago. I can't remember what the name of the hose was or the connection. It was a pressurized valve that's part of the engine block up front. It would have messed with the engine's airflow and pressure during driving, so I decided I'm not going to drive the car until I got that fixed. It actually took me about a month to get around to getting that done. And in that time, I had the battery disconnected at one point for something I was doing on the electrical. And ever since I got the car back up and running, my power windows haven't worked. Well, power window and that power window would work from the driver's side controls. This window, the passenger window, and the rear passenger window would not work from the driver's side controls, but they would work on those. And none of the power locks would work either. And I've been trying to wrap my head around this. I took off the door panels, I went through all the electricals, followed all the leads, used my multimeter to test the continuity between wires and what wires are having power versus not. And I finally traced it back to the, what is it called? There's a unit behind this that has all the wiring harnesses that plugs into. Like, I can't remember the name of it right now. But I finally traced it back to that, and I'm still wondering what was wrong with it. And I finally found this thread online, which I'll link down below. And they said that this car is notorious for having problems with that unit malfunctioning when the battery is taken out and put back in. So it resets all of the program settings in there, and you have to, it's very weird. You have to put your key in first, like this, and then turn your wipers to the in-range setting, and then turn the key to the on position. That'll reset the control module that's in there, and you'll be able to use it. Now finally, my locks work, and if I turn the key on, I'm able to roll down my windows. It's awesome. So yeah, that was would have been a quick fix, but I'll probably spend like a good 6 hours on this. I wish I would have found that thread sooner. So hopefully if anyone has that question and they find this video or that thread, maybe this will help them figure that out. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.